Morning everybody, or hello. So it is day number 4 of the harvest campaign 2024. Let's get into it and let's see what happens. We should be cutting today. Should be. Let's go. So we're here with the last little bit of the combine. We should be nearly ready. Farmer Jordan, the little beaver, he's here. So hello, Farmer Jordan. Oh, he's in such a grumpy mood, isn't he? Always. Farmer Jordan, the grumpy farmer. He's been beavering away like a little beaver, getting these on it, Jordan.
I knew I was going to end up with this job.
He's the one with the tools. Here's a tool. So we're nearly there. Fingers nearly on. Just the last little finishing jobs. Fill it with diesel. Put them on, and hopefully we'll go combining. Farmer Clive, if you wonder where he is, he's gone to go and get the little bits and pieces that we need from the dealer, and then we're away. Sun is shining, combine's nearly ready. So Farmer Clive has arrived back and brought a box of goodies, and he's brought stuff that we never sent him for, isn't that right, Farmer Jordan?
Boom, look at that T670 built by that.
He's also brought a catalogue of what they got for sale at Class. Probably a hint. Some window cleaner. The bits that we wanted.
Hello.
Ah, it's our grain merchant.
Yeah, not bad. Yourself?
Say hello, Phoebe, you're on YouTube. Anyway, I'm waiting on a load of wheat to go. So he's brought a load of goodies back that we never asked him to bring. We're about to find out. That one's okay.
Yeah, what's okay?
That one for 350,000.
I bought the book.
Let's go combine shopping. That'd be more interesting. So Farmer Clive's very excited about his window cleaner, Farmer Clive.
Oh yes, sparkly clean. Advertise when you get some biscuit.
Hopefully, yeah.
Look, we use Rose.
Dad's also brought some other box of goodies. See, we should do this like an unboxing on YouTube. Not on YouTube, on Instagram.
What's that bush that goes on the back? Sieve, there's a bush gone. Oh, that little bush? Yeah, the little metal bush goes in the plastic bush. So. Very rare we have any of them. Very rare, never there. This one's hanging out.
So these are all done. We just got to stand the header off on the trailer. Load up, load out. Let's get combining. Sun shines out. Farmer Jordan and Farmer Clive are arguing again.
You want the second tram like I said.
Harvest. We just got down here where we're going to go combining. Brought the trailer, so that's all ready. It's a bit of a, well, I said before in previous videos about harvest, it's like the fox chicken and the chicken feed trying to get across the river. You have to work out what can go in what. You know, the boat to get across is the same as moving all the equipment when we move farms. So I just sat here waiting for Farmer Jordan and Farmer Clive, or just somebody to pick me up. I'm hoping they remembered, if I'm honest. So let's see how long it's going to be before they come and pick me up. So start the timer. That wasn't actually that bad. It was only 15 minutes. And the final words from Farmer Jordan. Off we go then. thinking about something. Do I get out and find out? Probably not. I don't think Rosie is here, mate. Hey? Rosie? Oh, she's looking for Jordan. So that kicked along quite nicely. We've got a bit to do. We're not going to get out of here tonight, but we should get a fair bit done. Farmer Jordan is being sociable as always. There's door shut on his phone. So I'm just here talking to you guys. So how's Farmer Clive getting on navigating around the poles? Not actually that bad. So far, so good. Farmer Clive has navigated most of them. It's the last one. So there was one over there, there. There's 7 in total, and he's managed to get round it. There's a stay there though. Is he going to get round it? I haven't seen the pole go over yet. I think he's completed that. Huh. Look at that. Farmer Clive has defeated the poles. The combine lives to cut another day. So by the looks of it, I think we're packing up by the looks of it, because I said looks at it too many times here. We're emptying on the headland, and we don't normally do that when we have standing crop to cut. And Farmer Jordan as well is also gone on a, I don't know, he's turning round or no idea. I am the last to know these things because I'm bottom of the ladder. Broom boy, that's what I am. We'll find out what's happening anyway. I hope someone tells me. I'm going to tip this anyway, I know what I'm doing. So what beat us, Farmer Clive? Moisture or chewiness?
Damp in the bottom.
Damp in the bottom.
Bit of blacky rust.
Got chewy.
Cutting it too low, that's what. I'm trying to get you as much straw as I can.
So the translation of that was basically the straw's not cutting correctly. It's just getting a bit chewy and it's not cutting cleanly. It's just kind of wrapping round stuff and not really cutting. It's kind of shoving. So that is the end of that. This day anyway. Unless we do something else. And once again, I forgot to film the end. So I'm back home, just about to go have a shower and have something to eat. If you did like that video, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends and family. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully we'll come home tomorrow. I'll see you guys again later.